Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to eat healthier, lose weight, or just improve your overall well-being, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 10 powerful dieting tips that actually work. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Focus on whole foods. When it comes to dieting, whole foods are your best friend. These include fruits, vegetables, lean meats, legumes, and whole grains. They're packed with nutrients and free of artificial additives. Whole foods keep you fuller longer and help you avoid the sugar crashes you get from processed snacks, make them 80% of your meals. Tip 2. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals might sound like a shortcut to weight loss, but it often backfires. It slows down your metabolism and increases your chances of overeating later. Instead, eat regular meals with healthy snacks in between. Your body performs best when it knows consistent fuel is coming its way. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Many people confuse thirst for hunger. Drinking water throughout the day can help you feel full, reduce cravings, and even boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Try drinking a glass before meals to prevent overeating and help your digestion work more efficiently. Tip 4. Practice portion control. Even healthy foods can cause weight gain if eaten in excess. Portion control is key. Use smaller plates, avoid eating straight from the package, and learn to listen to your body's hunger signals. Eating slowly also helps your brain catch up with your stomach and reduces the urge to overeat. Tip 5. Keep a food diary. Writing down what you eat makes you more mindful of your habits. It can help you identify emotional eating triggers and highlight where your diet can improve. Whether you use an app or a notebook, tracking meals is one of the simplest ways to stay accountable and make progress. Tip 6. Limit sugar and refined carbs. Sugar and refined carbs, like white bread and pastries, cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to increased hunger. These foods are also easy to overeat. Try replacing them with complex carbs like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Your energy levels and waistline will thank you. Tip 7. Don't fear healthy fats. Fats have been wrongly demonized for years. In reality, healthy fats from foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can keep you satisfied longer and help absorb essential vitamins. Just be mindful of the portions, because fats are calorie-dense, but they're not your enemy. Tip 8. Set realistic goals. Crash diets and extreme restrictions don't last. Instead, small, achievable goals that you can maintain long-term. Losing 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week is realistic and sustainable. Celebrate progress, not perfection. And remember, consistency always wins over quick fixes. Tip 9. Mind your mindset. Your attitude toward food matters. Dieting shouldn't feel like punishment. Think of it as fueling your body and taking care of your health. Be kind to yourself when you slip up, because you will, and keep going. One bad meal doesn't undo all your hard work. Tip 10. Get enough sleep. Sleep is an underrated factor in dieting success. Poor sleep affects hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, making you crave junk food and feel less full. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to keep your metabolism steady and your food choices smart. Well, that's a wrap on 10 dieting tips that really work. Remember, it's not about quick fixes. It's about making sustainable changes for a healthier, happier you. So which tip will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. You've got this. I'll see you next time. Get your diet smoothie today in the link below.